A lot of you once again are requesting to make a video regarding kung ano ba talaga yung ginagamit kong bike, kasi sinadya ko talaga to na hindi ako gumawa ng bike check kasi hindi ko naman alam na gusto nyo pala malaman yung ginagamit kong bike. Well, in this video we will talk about it. So ano ba talaga? Hey, what's up guys? Ako day si Dan. Kung bago mo sa channel, tighin mo ko mga videos regarding mountain bikes, road bikes, or any bicycles. Masasud diri sa tong scope sa Cebu City. And kung malipay na ka magbike, well, this channel is for you. Make sure nga nakaklik ka sa subscribe button and the bell button para certified kasikad na sad ka. So what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. So, well, let's go to the specifications, which is the most important. So, bike check with my bike. This is an Caad series, Caad Optimo Smartform C2 alloy. And ang kagandahan po nito guys is that mayroon siyang dalawang battle cage na lalagyan. Fork is Cannondale Ultra carbon blades. 1x1/8 to 1x1/4 steerer. Tingnan nyo naman guys, ang gwapong gwapo. Rims is RS 3.0, 24 holes sa front and 28 holes sa rear. So ang spokes ani is naka stainless steel, 14 grams. So it's really good guys. Talagang nung chinek ko yung wheel set is very lightweight talaga. Na-amaze ako kasi akala ko mabigat kasi naka stainless siya eh. So ang hubs is alloy sealed loose ball bearings. Quick release na siya. Ito guys is very good kasi naka quick release, so meaning ang dali lang siya i-maintenance. You don't need any tools po para for example ma-puncture ka sa events mo or may long rides kayo, directly lang po quick release tapos change tires, done, yun lang. So that's really good side sa quick release. Well, ang bad side is that nakadali lang to sa mga magnanakaw kasi quick release. Tires is Schwalbe Lugano 700/25C. Pedals is well go. So naka-plastic pa siya guys. Hindi ko pa siya in-upgrade ng cleats kasi syempre naman hindi pa ako marunong mag-cleats. Crank is FSA Vero 50-34T. So when I say guys 50 to 34T, yan yung mga ngipin niya. Kung ilang ngipin yung count. So 50 is the outer and 34 is the inner or yung small na chainring. Bottom bracket is FSA 68mm cartridge. And the chain is KMC Z999 speed. So naka-stock pa rin yan guys. Hindi ko pa in-upgrade kasi sayang naman no kung hindi natin lalaspagin. And rear cogs is Shimano HG50 12 to 27 9 speed. And front derailleur is Shimano Sora 31.8 at naka-clamp na rin siya guys. Shifters is of course Shimano Sora. Handlebar is Black Cat. Grips is Cannondale bar tape with gel. Stem is Physic. Headset is FSA integrated 1x1/4 lower bearing 25mm top cup. Brake levers is Shimano Sora. Saddle is naka-Physic Arion din ito. So very slick guys as you can see. Seat post is Cannondale C4 alloy 27.2x300mm. And there you have it guys, ang Cannondale Caad Optimo Sora 2018 model. So guys, to be honest po, very lightweight ito. Hindi ko alam lang yung exact kilograms niya. Pero nung sinearch ko sa Google, mga 9 point something, mga 9 point plus siya. Baka umabot pa nga ng 10, hindi ko sure, pero very lightweight po yung bike na yun kahit alloy siya. At saka guys, very fast din kasi nung kinumpare ko yung steel at yung alloy, talagang very wide gap talaga yung difference. As a curiosity lang, no, tinry ko lang kung anong difference ng steel at saka alloy. And one thing guys is that syempre hindi naman mawawala yung test ride. So in this video, I'm gonna show you yung test ride ko.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. It sound right, boy.
So ang Cannondale Caad Optimo Sora 2018. So to be honest guys, very satisfied ako sa performance niya kahit 2018 model siya. In fact, one of the budget bikes ito sa Cannondale bikes, Caad Optimo Sora. So if may plano kayong bibilhin 2018 model, okay lang kasi to be honest, yung performance niya, it never failed me. Maganda din siya pang-akyatan kasi yung body niya good for climbing din, at saka yung parts niya, kung bibili kayo ng Cannondale Caad Optimo Sora 2018 model, well, ang i-upgrade nyo lang muna is yung pedals kasi to be honest, mahirap din mag-pedal while yung hindi cleats, kasi minsan nawawala ka din sa pagpedal, parang nasa slide yung paa mo sa pedal, so napakadelikado. And also kung gusto nyo talaga maging efficient yung pagpedal nyo, well, upgrade for cleats, good investment na rin yan. And yung Cannondale talaga, yung paint job talaga guys is really good. So hindi siya naka-decals, parang yung Cannondale na tatak mismo or yung logo is parang naka-paint talaga sa frame itself. Hindi kagaya ng mga ibang brand na parang naka-decals lang tapos konting scratch lang na wawala na yung logo. So it's really good guys. For me, I can recommend this bike for you kung gusto niyo. And Cannondale Caad Optimo Sora 2018. If you have this kind of bike, comment down below on what's inyong experiences or suggestions about this bike, or kung anong unang in-upgrade nyo sa bike na yan. Any Cannondale will do, any bikes will do, just share your experiences lang para malaman din ng mga kasikad natin dyan. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like if nagustuhan yung video na to para malaman ko rin, gagawa pa ko ng mga videos regarding mga ganitong topic. Comment if mayroon kayong suggestions, questions, feedbacks, or gustong i-bike check. And subscribe if hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe kasi napakarami pa tayong i-upload na videos. And make sure nakaklik na rin yung bell button para notified na rin kayo palagi. And once again, this is Dan, your kasikad Vistak. See you in the next video. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat and daghang salamat. Peace.